Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the upload images with React Dropzone using Cloudinary. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the Cloudinary console. So to get the upload preset, you have to go to the accounts first. So let me go to the back. Okay, so here we have the account settings first. So you have to click on the settings options, then we have to go with the upload preset. Okay, then here you can create the upload preset from here, add new, or you can use the previous whatever you have. So you have to use this. I'm using this upload preset name, and this is my cloud name. Okay, so which way I'm adding over here. So if I go to the app.js, this is my cloud name and this is my upload preset. This is the component Cloudinary upload, right? So this is that one. So whenever I do the drop, okay, so here we have the drop, right? So get root props, get input props, and here we are using the use drop zone on drop zone. Okay, so on drop, what we are doing, we have to call the API. That is main thing. Whether whenever there is a drop, whether we are uploading the images, this function will call. Accept files, use callback accept files. So the accepted files, then we are calling the new form data, then we are appending the upload preset and the file, okay, in the form data. Then we are calling the API, most important, and we are sending the form data over here. That should be a cloud name. Okay, then if something goes wrong, it will go to the error upload, else it will go with the file uploaded with the Cloudinary with the response data. Okay, let's see how this will work. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's drag and drop. So here we have the desktop, and let's upload any kind of the image over here. So I'm uploading this logo. Okay, JPEG. Upload over here, and here you can see that file uploaded, and here we have all the details, right? The Cloudinary image and everything. So if I go and open this copy link location and open over here, this is the file we have uploaded. And let's go to the our media folders. So let's go back. So here we have a folders. So this is linked with this one. Okay, and here we have the new file uploaded over here, right? And assets and November 11, so you can see that the date and the time, right? So we have successfully uploaded the image with the help of the Cloudinary using the React, right? So any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. It's very easy, very simple. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.